Okay, so this example we already saw in details about how reduce operation works, and we saw example of everything. Let's just try to do the same thing in Python. I mean, it will be pretty straightforward, but just for your context, I'll be doing it here. So from PySpark dot SQL import no PySpark dot SQL import Spark session. Okay, and then again if name equal to main, we need to print. For now, let's do it like this. Just copy this whole part. Spark builder chapter 3 master get or create. Okay, so this is our Spark. Now numbers equal to 1 2 3 4 5. Now rdd equal to spark context dot parallelize numbers. Okay, and rest all is similar, so sum would be equal to rdd dot reduce lambda a comma b, a plus b, and then print sums. Let's make it sums because sum is a keyword for summing it up. Okay, so and actually what, let's, instead of doing it in this one, IPYNB file. Okay, this will be better. So necessary wait, is this markdown or what? Let me imports from PySpark.sql import Spark session detecting kernel Python environments. Okay, let me run this one. Let this install. Meanwhile, we will go and we don't need the name thing anymore. Okay, so we'll see that sum is coming as what is expected, and I think rest all was understanding of how MapReduce is parallel and how it's helpful in distributed systems. So yeah, I mean, this is a very basic thing that we'll be seeing. Let this install and then I'll just run this cell. Okay, now if I run this one, we can see that, right? So that's how it is, and actually I should move it to a new cell and clear the cell output so that we don't see okay, so yeah, I'll use this Jupyter notebook. I think that will be much better. In case if you are confused how you can use it in VS Code, there is an extension for this, Jupyter notebook. If you search Jupyter notebook, yeah, this one, I guess one of these, Microsoft one, I guess, yeah. And then you can set up the kernel here. This one is my kernel and so on. Okay, reduce. So I hope you got an idea of this. Now I'll go and go to the second part where it will talk about caching, and then we'll see how it can be effective in this case. Okay.